A school is sharing 14 care packs among 4 support rooms: the quiet room, the newcomer room, the reading corner, and the wellness room. Each room must get at least 2 packs. There is a twist. The quiet room must get more packs than the newcomer room. How many different ways can the school share them? Pause the video. Try it before I show the trick. Hint: count all the distributions first, then handle the quiet greater than newcomer constraint. First, reserve 2 for each room. That is the reserved seats move from level 0. 14 minus 4 times 2 equals 6 extras. Step 2. Stars and bars on 6 extras across 4 rooms. That gives 6 plus 3, choose 3, which is 9 choose 3, which equals 84. That is the total count of all distributions before the twist. Now here is the key insight. Quiet greater than newcomer and quiet less than newcomer must have the same count. They are mirror images of each other. So if we subtract the cases where quiet equals newcomer, the rest splits evenly into 2 halves. Count quiet equals newcomer. Each gets t extras, where t is 0, 1, 2, or 3. If t is 0, then reading and wellness share 6, that is 7 ways. If t is 1, reading and wellness share 4, that is 5 ways. If t is 2, they share 2, that is 3 ways. If t is 3, they share 0, that is 1 way. Add. 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1 equals 16. So quiet greater than newcomer equals all distributions minus equal cases divided by 2. That is 84 minus 16 divided by 2, which is 68 over 2 equals 34. Why divide by 2? Because quiet greater than newcomer pairs up perfectly with quiet less than newcomer. For every way quiet wins, there is a mirror way newcomer wins. Same count, so we cut the rest in half. The answer is 34 ways. Nice spotting. This is the Symmetry Halves rule. If a problem has a strict inequality between 2 variables, then count all distributions first. Subtract the equal cases. The rest splits evenly into 2 halves, so divide by 2. Look for the words must be more than or must be less than with no ties. That is when this rule applies. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.